Hey, it's Tommy, and today is an incredibly exciting day as we reintroduce to you the renewed and revolutionized skEYEvue commercial vehicle camera system. Now more powerful and intuitive with the latest update rolled out for Q4 of 2023. Come along as we explore the cutting-edge enhancements that take security, efficiency, and innovation to an unprecedented level. Whether you manage heavy-duty trucks, trains, cranes, or automobiles, this enhanced skEYEvue experience is crafted for you. Here's a sneak peek. Step into a world of seamless streaming, where quicker load times bring you real-time visuals from your fleet, be it on the road or tracks, anytime, anywhere. Discover an expanded suite of features, each finely tuned to offer you unprecedented control and ease of use, crafting a comprehensive visualization of your fleet's operations right at your fingertips. Picture the convenience of retracting events with superior playback functionalities, marrying clarity with speed to facilitate the smoothest operations yet. Stay ahead with redefined alarm notifications, designed to keep you informed and prepared to respond swiftly, no matter where your vehicles are located. And for those of you always on the move, we've got you covered. With our complimentary mobile apps available on Android and iOS, you have the power to monitor and control your fleet right from your smartphone, anytime, anywhere. It's convenience right at your fingertips. Are you ready to take the next step towards a safer, more secure, and more efficient future with skEYEvue? Contact us today to learn how skEYEvue can revolutionize your operations. Remember, with skEYEvue, you're not just buying a product, you're investing in peace of mind. Visit our website to find out more. Thank you for choosing skEYEvue from skEYEwatch, where we put safety and efficiency in the driver's seat.